Hello, I'm Lillian,
I'm Keer,
and we are represent the team, the Magic 7, and we are going to introduce our game. But first, we're gonna introduce our team members, Alex, Charlie, Asa, Vicky, and Anbang.
and our game is blackjack. We will have two players and the human against to the computer, and two players will get two cards randomly, and the cards sum up will reach to 21 points as possible. If both under 21 points, the higher points one win, and if one of them is over 21 points and the other one will win. If both of them have equal points, then it will be a draw. This is our program. First, we'll import random because we will get random value for the cards. And first, we create a player class, and we have the init method to initialize a new player. It will have their names, points, and cash. And we also use the assessor method to get players' name, points, and cash. And following, we have the mutator method to get players to set the new names of the player, points, and the cash. And we also create the less point, more point, equal points method to check the player's points. And for here, the clear points method is to set the points back to 0 when each round ends. And here we also have the gain cash and the lose cash method is to set the new cash for the winner and the loser. The winner will gain $10 when they win the rounds, and the loser will lose $10. And the string method is represent this player as a string. And following, we have two subclasses, and one is for the computer player and one is for the human player. And we create rules for the player. To the get initial cards method is to get the players will get two cards randomly by the number 1 to 10, and the points sum up card 1 card 2 will be the current value. And we also will have another card method. If the computer player has the points is less than 17, the program will get a new cards for the computer player. And for the human player one, the rules, the get initial rules will pretty much the same. And for the other cards method, the program will ask the human player would like another card or not. If the answer is yes, the program will get the new cards to the human player, and it will print out the new value.
We will set up name, points, and cash for human player and same as a computer player. And also the name of round, which the program will ask you how many rounds would you like to play. And we create a for loop for the rounds. If any of them lose all their money, and the program will stop. And then we use while loop to check if human gets point at more than 21, and then the computer will win the game. If computer gets point at more than 21, then the winner will be human. If both of them have do not want to get a new card, then the program will break. Then we print out the round result. We use if loop to check who is the winner if they both stop before get over 21, and then and if human gets more points, then human will win. If if human get less points, then computer will win. If both of them have equal points, then it will be a draw. Also, the loser will lose $10 and the winner will gain $10. And finally, the program will print out the human and computer result. And if human get more cash, then human will win the game. If human get cash that less than computer's cash, then computer will win the game. And if they get the same cash, then it was a draw.
And now I would like to run the module and see how it works. And right now the human we set up name with human, I would like to change that to my name, and we both have 0 points at the beginning, and also we have $100 each. So now we run the module. Okay, and the program says welcome to my blackjack game and ask me how many rounds would I like to play. I would say 1, and now the program will show me that I have $100 and the computer also have $100, and my first card and second card 2 and 2, total is 4, and ask me would you like another card. I would say yes. And right now the new card is 9 and my current total is 13, and the computer's new card is 5, and I guess computer's the first 2 cards add up it's less than 17, so it has a new cards now. And right now, and ask me again would you like another card. I would say no. And now here's the this round result come out. I have total 13 points and the computer has 18 points. So at this round the computer wins, and because we only played 1 round, so the final result will print out, and the final result I have $90 and the computer have $110 because I lose this run, so I lose $10 and the computer gain $10, so the computer will be the final winner for this game. All right, here's our game presentation. Thank you very much.